be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, it should have been you.
Alright, you guys, so this is what the bathroom is looking like right now. And we have some of the tile already laid down on the floor here, and it's kind of like this marble looking tile, and the color in that is Calcutta, I believe. And then we have like a dark gray cabinet, and this is the Stratton Vanity base, and both of these are from a hardware store called Menards. So I can try to link as much as I can below. And then we also have this little shiplap kind of guardrail. And then on the top, just like this decorative trim piece. And then what I'm going to do is put like 4 different hooks here to hang towels. And then that is the shower tub combo. And then we just need the toilet yet. And then as you come to this side, this is the closet, and where all those bars are is going to be shelving. So this is kind of what we have going on right now, and we still need the vanity light, and then of course I'll show you guys all of the decor and finishing things. And then also the color is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin Williams, and we ended up just going to our hardware store and having them match that color. So this is kind of what everything is looking like right now, and I will update you guys on the progress as we go forward. Show you this mirror here. I'm out of my garage, and I'm actually gonna have my husband spray paint it. It's from TJ Maxx, and this is what I'm going to be using in our bathroom downstairs. It's pretty big and super inexpensive compared to regular round mirrors that you can find on Amazon or whatever. I actually paid $39.99, and I'm just going to be spray painting it black, just using just a normal black spray paint. So I think that'll work perfect, and just kind of showing you guys what I'm using for the mirror. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna do a little update of the bathroom and kind of what we're got going on and what we need to finish yet. So as you walk in here, we have the vanity kind of all set with the countertop. We're just waiting on the faucet there. And then also this is that black mirror that was spray painted black. And then this is the light we chose. And it actually had kind of like the frosted glass, and I ended up just not using those and buying the glass ones. I just think it looks a little bit better, and you can do that to any light that you purchase. Then as you come forward, so this is that little shiplap wall, and sorry if you can hear the fan that's connected to that light up there. But these hooks are from Amazon, and I will make sure to link them below. It came in a pack of 10, and I only did 3, so this is where I'm going to put like bathroom towels and everything. And then here is where shelving is gonna go, and then one more is gonna go on top there. We just didn't have another screw. And then if you guys have suggestions of what to put here, I'm not exactly sure. I know a toilet paper holder, but we have this little like open area. But yeah, this is kind of what it's looking like. We don't have a whole lot left to do, but I really love the flooring and the way that everything's turning out. So I will keep you guys updated. Alright, you guys, so I am going to walk you through the finished product of the bathroom. So this is what the flooring ended up looking like. And I absolutely love like the marble detailing in it. And then also with the Silverado gray grout, it just looks really pretty. And then as you come up, here is the vanity, just like that nice, it's actually coming off a little bit darker on camera, but it is kind of a lighter gray. And then the black handles from Amazon, which I can link below. The rug here is from Target. It's just this pretty kind of like sage kind of green color. And then we just ended up buying a countertop that would just go right on top, so we didn't have to worry about buying a sink or anything like that. And then just the faucet there. All right, so then I just have this bin here from Hobby Lobby, and then these are just some wash rags that I have sitting there. And as you come up, here is the black mirror that I spray painted along with the light fixture. And as we turn this way, this is that wash your hands from the Magnolia collection from Target. And then that hook there is also from Amazon. It came in a pack of like 12, I believe. And that is what I'm using to hang the towel on. Okay, and as we come this way, the picture there with the leaf, that is from Hobby Lobby. It's in their newer collection of like Farmhouse items. And the two shelves here. Okay, so on the top shelf there, I have a lantern and a Q-tip and cotton ball organizer. On the second shelf is just a green plant. This one is from TJ Maxx. I still don't have the price on there, but I think that one was $5.99. Along with a candle and Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful is the new collection at Walmart for their spring collection. I think it was only like $1 or $3. And then I just have this stripe black and white. It's actually a dish towel that I got from TJ Maxx, but I just kind of like the way that looked. And as you come down, this organized bin is from TJ Maxx as well. Ray Dunn collection, and then the toilet paper holder is from Amazon. And as you come this way, the shower curtain is from Walmart. I really liked the way it looked online, but it is a tish busy for me, but I can't find anything else that I really like at this time. I think I would just like plain black stripes, but it does look pretty in here as well because everything is pretty neutral. And then as you come to this wall, this is that shiplap wall that we did, and then we just put like that crown molding on the top. And those are the hooks, the pack from Amazon. And then here are the printables that I ordered from Etsy. We have brush your teeth, wash your hands, and comb your hair. And then the frames are from Walmart. So that is how everything turned out. Leave me some comments of anything else that you guys would add to it, and this is how everything looks.